Hello, my friends. I'm Regina. Welcome to my tea party. Let's see. Let's light our cozy candle. Warm, cozy candle. Another cold front's moving in. It's cold outside. We're warm and cozy inside with our tea party. Okay, so I've been trying some different teas, and I tried this one yesterday. Well, I had tried, because I usually drink mostly coffee. So I had like the Lipton, and then I like this one, the Nurmi Organic Tea Aged Earl Grey. I need to look for some more of that. See, I don't know if they have it at Walmart anymore. I pulled that out of my pantry. I might check over at Publix and see if they have it. So I tried this, the Bigelow Green Tea. I tried this one yesterday, and I really like it. It's which I pulled this one out of my pantry too. I'm not sure who has this one now. I'll look at Walmart next time I go. Bigelow Green Tea. Okay, so healthy antioxidants, all natural supposedly, if we can trust what the companies say. Anyway, so I tried this one yesterday, and I really like it. I add a little bit of, my creamer is like whole milk. I brew it up kind of light, because, you know, I don't, so I don't have all that extra, caffeine. So, yeah, because I don't need to get more wired up. But okay, so the green tea, and then I put like some whole milk. I don't like to get the creamers, because a lot of the creamer, I know a lot of people like them, but I don't want the extra additives and chemicals or whatever, so I use like a little bit of whole milk, and I really like it. It's very good. It's nice and hot. I like it. And okay, so and then I made another batch of the homemade oatmeal applesauce raisin cookies. My next batch, I need to add a few chopped nuts. And I had two different pans. Some were like a little bit lighter baked, and the others were a little bit crunchier, toastier. They're thick, chunky. Well, you can make them as thick or as thin as you want to. It's chunky. Okay, so I made these yesterday, and I'm sure they're still good. I need to make me a really big batch and put some in the freezer, because I'm using up, there's some applesauce that I'm needing to use up. So I've been baking applesauce bread, applesauce oatmeal cookies. Very good. And very simple ingredients, which I like that. And you don't have those extra chemicals and, the ones that are in the grocery stores. So I used oatmeal, and like twice as much oatmeal as applesauce. So oatmeal, applesauce, some salt, and the raisins, and you can add chopped nuts. I think that's it. Yeah. So then I baked for like 375, almost 400 for some of them. I baked for 20 to 25 minutes, however toasted that you want your cookies. Really good. So yeah, I've been enjoying my teas, because with the way coffee's been going up in price, I've been using some tea. Well, I make hot cocoa sometimes in the evenings, or the tea, and so I'm trying the different teas. Alrighty, I just thought I'd invite y'all to the tea party. So I hope y'all are all having a fabulous day, and hope you're having some good snacks. Alrighty. So yeah, life, one of the most important things in life is enjoying the simple things in life. Simple things, including family. Alrighty, well, I will talk to you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye, friends.